And for now, let's move on to the introductory part of our new topic dealing with the research introduction. Recall that most of the student researchers find writing research introduction as a difficult task because most of the time we don't know how to write the introductory part of our research paper. So that is why we have a solution for such issue like this. Okay? So in order to solve the issue in writing your research introduction, our topic will adapt a model in writing a research introduction known as create a research space model, also known as the CARS model. So this CARS model, also known as create a research space model, was actually proposed by John Swales, in which it was based on the analysis of research articles. Okay, so let's have our introductory part. Create a research space or CARS model actually refers to the model, okay, proposed by John Swales. So John Swales used this model based on the analysis of journal articles. Recall that journal articles or researches derived from different disciplines. Okay? So to reiterate once more, create a research space model or CARS model refers to the model proposed by John Swales based on the analysis of journal articles derived from various disciplines, or let's say across disciplines. And this CARS model was actually the method that can be followed in order to write your research introduction. So, to make it simple, CARS model will serve as our guide in order to write a research introduction. Recall that most of the time, research students have such difficulties in writing their research introduction because there's no such definite rule or guideline that must be followed. But through the use of CARS model, we can identify the step-by-step procedure in order for us to write the research introduction. Okay? And this will be the main highlight of our topic. So, in addition to that, research introduction can be written, of course, through the use of the said CARS model. So, CARS model actually consists of three major actions, okay, in which John Swales called these actions as moves. Okay, so to reiterate once again, in applying the CARS model in writing your research introduction, we need to perform, or let's say we need to identify the three major actions, in which these actions are also known as the moves, as coined by John Swales. And take note that these actions, also known as moves, consist of specific steps. Okay? These specific steps will provide us the organizational pattern. It will provide us the organizational pattern in writing the research introduction. Okay? Recall that organizational pattern in writing is a must so that we will be guided in order to write research introduction. But of course, this organizational pattern in writing the research introduction can be performed only once we take the three major actions proposed by the CARS model. And take note that these actions are also known as what? They are also known as the moves. Moves and actions can be used interchangeably, in which each action consists of specific steps in writing the organizational pattern of your research introduction. So let's try to identify what are these three major actions, or let's say three moves as coined by John Swales. We have the following. Move 1, or let's say action number 1, establishing a territory. Move 2, or let's say action number 2, also known as establishing a niche. And then move 3, which is known as occupying a niche. So these are the three major actions or three moves that will be applied once we perform the CARS model in order to finalize our research introduction. So for our next video presentation, we will discuss it in a detailed manner how to write each move or each action along with their corresponding specific steps. Okay?